Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Patrick Champo. I'm your mindset and finance coach. On my channel, guys, you guys can expect videos on how to organize your personal and business finances so that you guys can qualify for that money, for that bag, for that cash, for your business ventures and investments opportunity. You can also expect video on how to build and develop your mindset. If it's something that interests you guys, I'm inviting you right now to go ahead and smash that subscribe button, activate that notification bell so you won't miss none of my weekly videos on any of those topics. On this video, guys, I want to talk to you guys about why you should stop keeping your money in the bank. Stop doing that. Stop. I will also share you guys what you should be doing instead. Guys, growing up in an African family, my parents used to keep money in the house. A lot of people thought that it was the safest place to store and keep your money. But in Africa, not everywhere, but growing up, it was a lot of breakings going on. So people was finding out where exactly the money was hiding. So basically people was figuring out where the money was hiding. So our parents had to go to the bank thinking that it was the safest place to store the money. Myself, as a little boy, I really thought that the bank was just the safest place and the bank was just keeping our money until we need that money. So whenever we needed that money, we could go back to the bank and literally get the money out. That's my innocent kid mind. This is how I was thinking growing up. But that wasn't the case, guys. Every time when you deposit your money into the bank, guys, it becomes a liability for the bank. The bank don't go by his own model of keep your money in the bank. No, the bank, as soon as you deposit your money, guys, the bank go ahead and literally put that money to work, meaning the bank lend that money out. It called fractional banking, guys. It's something called fractional banking that I'm about to explain to you guys right now. Every time you put your money in the bank is only required to keep 10% of your cash. The 90% of it is immediately sent out to work. Lending. It's different ways how the bank lend your money. Through mortgages, through regular consumer loans, through credit cards. So your bank puts your money to work in order for them to generate money via interest. And they just give you usually 0.0000001%, literally nothing, in other words. So when the bank does that, guys, you sit down thinking that your money is being kept safe, but in actuality, the bank is making money with your money. So this is the number one reason, guys, why you should stop keeping that money in the bank. Number two reason, guys, is inflation. What is inflation for people who don't know what inflation is? Guys, inflation is nothing but just a natural increase of cost of living. Every time, guys, when you put your money, you keep your money in the bank account, every year, your actually money is losing value because of the inflation. I'm gonna take a practical case. Just say you have $500 in the bank today, right? Tomorrow, cost of living has increased. Just say today you were buying a pair of shoes, right? A pair of shoes was costing $100. You had $500. Tomorrow, the same pair of shoes now, instead of $100, now cost $150. Your $500 never moved, never increased, you never put that money to work. Now you lost, instead of $400, now you lost an additional $50. So you went from having $400 now to $350. Your money never moved, but the cost of living has made your money to lose its value. Basically, that's what inflation does to your money. You went from having $500 one year. After spending the $100 on the pair of shoes, you went down to $400. The next year, the same pair of shoes went up $150. Now you lost even more. Now you down to $350. And as the inflation keep hitting year after year, your money will keep losing its value. So basically, that's what happened with the inflation. So guys, instead of doing that, instead of letting the bank make money out of your money, your hard-earned money for the most of y'all, and the inflation, I recommend you guys to start doing those things. Before I give you guys those 3 tips, 3 ways how you can start using that money instead of keeping that money into the bank account, I want to outline some exceptions. The only reason, because a lot of y'all will start commenting, say, so you say don't put money in the bank account, so what about if you do this and that? Okay, I'm gonna let you guys know the only funds you guys should keep in the bank account, because you still need to keep some money in the bank account. Okay, for emergency funds, that's the number one thing, reason why you should keep some of your money in the bank account. We know life happened, loss of job, emergency, illness and all that. You will need some fund. Now, this is some of the fund that you can keep in your bank account. You can also keep money for your base expenses, mortgages, insurance, rent, anything that you pay on a monthly basis. You should have an account for those things as well. And the number 3 things that account that reason why you should keep money in the account is for investment, savings for purposes. You should keep some money in your bank account for investment. Just say you have an investment plan or goals that you try to make it to realization. You want to potentially invest one day, so you should have a savings account for that. And now that brings me now to, instead of keeping your money in the bank account, what you should actually do with that money. Number 1 thing, guys, you can start a side hustle with that money instead of keeping that in the bank account, because you want your money to grow. You want your money to expand. So you can start a side hustle. One of the side hustles that you can start is probably purchasing a couple of vending machines, which is pretty affordable. With $1,000, with $2,000, even $3,000, you can buy a used, or in some instances, a brand new vending machine that you can put to work, and you can start generating some extra income instead of letting the bank making money with your money. Number 2, guys, you can invest in real estate. Again, if you have some money, you can do it's something popping up right now, which is the Airbnb arbitrage. So you can do that. Just say you rent someone property and you can sublease that property for an extra cash flow at the end of the month. So you can also do that. So that's subleasing. That's Airbnb arbitrage. You don't have to own the property, or if you want to own, you can go and own the property. But if you are not in the position to own the property, you can literally lease a property and subleasing that property to an owner or an apartment complex via corporate housing, corporate leasing. That's the number 2 way, guys. The number 3 way, guys, how you can utilize those funds is to start an online business. Amazon is a great place to start. You can start selling on Amazon and generate some extra money, or you can start content creation like I'm doing right now. You can become a YouTuber, or it's so many different opportunity that the internet is offering right now. So instead of storing your money, guys, you can implement one of those 3 strategies that I just outlined to you right now. So guys, stop keeping your money in the bank and start to invest that money, grow your money. Again, guys, that's all I have for you guys in this video. I told you guys the reason why you should stop keeping your money in the bank. I told you the number 1 reason was fractional banking. Your money is a liability for the bank. The bank is lending your money to make more money. Number 2 reason, guys, was the inflation. Inflation currently in America is 8.6%. It's killing your dollar rapidly. That's an invisible taxation that nobody is saying, but it's robbing your hard-earned cash each and every single day. So that's the number 2 reason why you should stop. And I gave you guys 3 specific reasons why you should keep some cash in the bank. I outlined that to you guys. I told you emergency fund. I told you guys for base expenses, the expenses that you encounter every single month. And 3rd is for your savings opportunity. So you should save some money in the bank for investment. You don't have to stay there forever. And I gave you guys 3 different side hustle that you can start instead of letting that money in the bank sitting. I said the number 1 side hustle, I say you could start a vending machine business. Number 2 was real estate. You can do Airbnb arbitrage, which is very trending right now. And the number 3 was literally to start an online business, and Amazon was a great point to start. Again, guys, that's all I have for you guys in this video. If you like this video, I'm inviting you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this video massively, and also make sure, guys, that you won't miss none of my videos that I drop each and every single week by smashing that notification bell. Again, guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.